So when Vonage decided to get a new office, we partnered up with a fit-out company. This company basically introduced us to TwistedPair. We were impressed, and we just, we were very excited to get this project on the road.
The brief was, it needed to be exciting, it needed to be inspirational, it needed to get their team infused. We accepted the challenge.
So the benefits of this system to the business would be cost savings. Being a global company, we travel a lot. So we needed a solution that would enable us to communicate with people around the world with just a click of a button.
They needed lots of collaborative spaces so they can design and test new systems that are looking to implement. All these devices needed to be completely agnostic. My favourite part of the project was the Agora area. For me personally, I think it works really well. It's a nice, lively space. It fits every requirement that the customer had, and all the feedback we've had from this has been positive.
I think what separates TwistedPair from competitors is the fact that we try and bring everything, so the client's got access to the technical team if they've just got a quick technical question. We genuinely, everyone in our company lives and breathes it, so it just gives that personal touch.
Day one, from our initial meetings and the project, they were sitting there with smiles on their faces and constantly coming up with suggestions as to what we could introduce. I just don't feel like they came in, did the job and walked away. They have, constantly checked in. We've now got bigger ideas of what we want to do with the space.
So the project management team was just simply amazing. They kept us up to date all throughout, and it was just like holding hands.